Welcome back, creators and changemakers. Today we're tackling an essential tool for anyone with a cause, the Givewp plugin. I know you're busy, so we're going to get straight to the point with a no-fluff, detailed overview of what this plugin really offers, what makes it great, and where it might fall short for your specific needs in 2025. Givewp is not just a simple payment form, it's a complete donations platform built for WordPress. Its core functionality revolves around creating high-converting donation forms that support both one-time and recurring contributions, which you can easily embed across your site. A huge positive is its focus on the donor journey, with a centralized management area for tracking all donor activity and maintaining engagement. It also provides smart fundraising features like suggested donation amounts and the ability for donors to cover transaction fees, which can significantly boost your net revenue. With support for all the major payment gateways and a wealth of premium add-ons for things like fundraising campaigns and detailed reports, it offers immense scalability. The free version is quite limited, and to unlock the plugin's true potential, including vital features like recurring donations, you must purchase a premium license, which is a recurring annual expense. Some users might also find the initial configuration for advanced features a bit complex without some technical guidance. All in all, Givewp stands out as a specialized, powerful, and donor-centric solution that can grow with your fundraising goals. It's a compelling choice for any legitimate organization that needs more than just a basic donate button. I hope this deep dive has given you a clear picture of what Givewp can do for your website. Givewp offers 4 pricing tiers: Free, Basic, Plus, and Pro, all billed yearly. The free plan includes unlimited forms. The paid plans start at $149 per year for the basic tier, which includes everything in free plus Stripe and PayPal gateways, basic add-ons, donor management, and recurring donations. The $349 per year plus plan builds on basic by including all premium add-ons, all payment gateways, insightful reporting. The top-tier Pro plan costs $499 annually and includes everything in Plus, along with peer-to-peer fundraising, VIP support, a license for one site, a 30-minute fundraising website audit, and more. If it helped you out, please show some love with a like and subscribe for more straight-talking reviews every week. Until next time, keep doing amazing work.